How to make money with OfferVault CPA marketing platform. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I show you how to make money with OfferVault step by step. Explain for people who don't know what OfferVault is and how to use it. Also, understanding how OfferVault simplifies the process of searching for affiliate offers by centralizing them in one platform. So, Overvault is an affiliate marketing tool that can help you find affiliates and cost per action, CPA offers. And also, it's a search engine that scouts over plus 60 networks. And it's a tool for affiliate marketers and bloggers that are looking for ad campaign that they can promote. So, come guys, let's take a look at the website to understand more. So here we have the website offervault.com. You'll have here on the top of the website login and register, advertise, add your network, and help and free training. For these two ticks, if is for added offers on OfferVault. You simply just fill out this your name, your network name, your last name, network URL, and email, confirm your password, and then you confirm your password, your escape, and your phone, and then you select your answer for these two questions. Here we have help and free training. It's led you to YouTube channel of OfferVault. So this homepage, as you can see, there is a lot of offers, and here is the commission you'll get for each sale, and here we have the countries if the offer is targeted to a specific country, and finally the network providing this offer. You'll have here a search bar if you want to search for a specific product or network, and besides, you can specify the results obtained through the filters that mean identify the offers from a specific network here or a specific one in categories. You can just select the country to know if the offer is working in your country or not. For example, I will select the first one, United States, and as you can see, the offers will appear. Moving to how to sign up on the website, so you can just click here on the register located at the top of homepage of the website. Then you'll here fill in or fill out these fields, your name, first name, your last name, your email, your password, and then you confirm your password and you select your country. And if you have Skype account, you'll write it here. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can submit without it. So returning to the offers, precisely choose the offer you want to promote, and to more understand, for example, I will choose a category. For example, I will choose, so for example we will choose a category, for example, clothing. So every single offer here have full of information for you to to access, and that help you to select and evaluate to the one suits you more. And the network will ask you to sign in. You're not exactly signing OfferVault, you're just signing in to this particular network over here, which then allows you to do the job. So just to let you know that when someone completes a specific cost per action, like for example submitting an email, phone number, when someone completes using your link or your page or coming from your traffic, you'll then end up making money. That's how basically CPA marketing works. So now aside of that, there is also another thing or another stuff is related to offers. We have here affiliate networks, we have here paper call offers and mobile offers and traffic sources. As you can see, it's a lot of information related to offers. For example, here we have the name, we have types, we have mobile, we have retargeting, if it's retargeting or not, and if it's self serve or not. And yeah, so let's choose offer. As we can say, we choose clothing category. So let's choose the first one as example. As you can see here, there is the title or the name of product, and there is the offer details. We have here offer name, payout, and preview. That means preview landing page. You can just click here and have the landing page of the product, and here we have the categories and network and the last update and the countries. As you can see, it's not mentioned. So we will click on the preview landing page just to show you the landing page. So here we have full of information related to the product. So moving to run offer. If you wanna run offer, you just click here and then it will lead you to website network. Then we have here sign up, and then you just need to fill out your information, first name, last name, your nickname if you have it, and then your company name, your email address. Then you confirm your email address, you choose your password and you confirm the password. Then we have messenger service, and we have here message name, handle, also address, the first one, the second one, and the city, and also the state or the province, and the postal code, country. And you have here phone and phone extension. Then you have here phone extension type, and agree to the terms, and if you are 18 years or older. So this is it. How do we attract the largest number of customers? The way you present the product is what attracts you. So what attracts your customers? For example, if you have important number of followers in social media that help you, of course, to reaching out to your customers. If you don't have that, you can use Google Ads campaign, and also that helps you for marketing, and using Pinterest for finding the pictures of product. And also ChatGPT might help you to uh, describe your product. So thanks for this video, guys, and that's it. And I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.